Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you guys. Did you guys hear what I said? I said DIY. OMG. I'm back with a haul. I'm back with another haul to share with you guys. Oh, I think I'm tired. Anyways. Like I was saying, I'm back with a haul to share with you guys, and it's stuff from the Dollar Tree, some things from Michaels, and I think I have something from Dollarama too. Yeah. So I'm going to be sharing these items with you. So let's get into what I got. Alright everyone, I'm going to be starting off with the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. Now I went into Dollar Tree and I found that they have these candle holders. The tea light. Yeah, the tea light candle holders. These ones here, and it's the super small ones. Now this is the... Is this a medium size one? I think it's a medium size one. This is not the tallest one they have. This is a medium size. And then they have this little teeny small one here. Yeah, which I thought this was a small one. But no, they have one even smaller. Isn't that neat? Yeah. So it's the first time I'm seeing them. I'm not sure if you guys have seen them yet. But it's the first time I'm seeing them. And they're really small and cute. So I picked up some of these in the Dollar Tree. And then I found these LED flower lights. Aren't these cute? See, they have the candle at the bottom. And I think you turn them on. They have a little switch underneath. And you turn them on, they light up, and they're flowers. Yeah, so I got them in pink and in white. They had some in blue too. I didn't get the blue. No, I just got the pink. I just got the pink and the white ones. Aren't these super cute? Yeah, then I got these little flower things here. They were in the bridal section. They're nice. Some are solid white flowers. And some of the see-through mesh-like material, it looks like. Yeah, they come 6 in the pack. And they have a little bling in the middle. Isn't that cute? So I picked up a few packs of these, which I think they are super cute. And I also got this. It says, "You are the best." Yes, we are, aren't we? We are the best. And you shake it up. And isn't that nice? This is so nice, and it's like on a slat when you put it, and it's the heart, and you shake it up, and the little stuff inside fly around. I think this is so cute. They have them at the Dollar Tree. And then I got these containers. Look here, you guys. OMG. These are so nice. These are so super cute. And they have them in other colors, which I have the silver or gray, whatever color, and then they have the white. And they all come with lids. This, I think they had it in a greenish blue color too, but I didn't buy that. I just got these 3 colors, which I think they are so nice. Ah! Which I think they are so nice. Yeah. And also in the Dollar Tree, I got these number stickers. These are so cute. They have a little sparkle on them. Yeah. I got these. And I got some brushes in the Dollar Tree. These brushes are so nice. They're nice for combing out your hair. They are really nice. And for $1, you can't beat it. So I got these ones, some for me and some for my daughter, which I think they are so nice. The bristles are nice, and they're really nice for combing out your hair, like I said before. Yeah, so I got these at the Dollar Tree. And of course I got some bobby pins. And I got these shavers at the Dollar Tree too. These are very good. At the Dollar Tree, these are really nice to use, so I got that. And at the Dollar Tree, I got some my medications that I take every day. I got a pill organizer, 7-day pill organizer, which is this here. Maybe you can see the blue one better. Which is this here. Yeah, and it's round, it's easy, it fits into your bag very nice. And it's from Monday to Sunday. And you place your pills in it so you remember to take them every day. Yeah. So I have one for myself. And my mom asked me for one. And another friend that I have asked me to get one for her. So I went back and I got 2 more. So I got a white one and the blue. These are very good. If you have medications that you have to take, it's good to get the these things here, the organizers, to keep you on track so you don't forget. I forget sometimes. Did I take my pills? Did I? When I have them in here now, I check. Yes, I did take it. If they're there, I didn't take it, and I'll take them right away. This is a good thing to get. And the round one's more convenient because it fits into your bag nicely. That's it from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to show you what I got at Michaels, you guys. Yes, I went to Michaels. I found the crushed glass fillers. You guys, OMG, I am so super excited about this. Now over here we get it in this container here. I know the ladies in America, you guys get it in a bag, which I think you get more than we do in that bag. All we get is this container. But I don't mind because I found it. I checked last year and they didn't have them. I checked this year and they had them. And they had other colors too, you know, but I bought the clear color. Yes, so I'm so excited to be doing some DIYs with these. Yeah, at Michaels. Yep, they are seasonal. They only get them in the summertime, I guess, but they're here, so I'm so happy that I found these. And also at Michaels, I got some gold stickers, some gold bling. Yeah, these gold blings here, I like them. Because I haven't found them in gold. I have them in other colors, but I didn't have them in gold. So I'm glad I found some of them in gold at Michaels. And also at Michaels, I got a pink glue gun. Yeah, pink. I like it in the pink. And you know, they go on me like crazy, so I'll just buy it and put it down. And it was pink. I just had to buy it. Yes, it's super cute at Michaels, and it was $6 at Michaels. Not bad. Maybe in America it's a little cheaper, but over here it's $6. Very nice. And also at Michaels, I got some of their letters in white. I got their letters in white, 3 of them. Be doing a DIY with those. And I got this, you guys, this paddle. It's a paddle. I'm gonna do a DIY for the kitchen with this, but it's so super nice. I like it. And I got it in Michaels. Yes, and it feels so nice. I'll be doing a DIY with this for the kitchen. Yes, I will. I'm so super excited. Gucci. Gucci, you guys. Gucci's here. Gucci is here. He has to be in the video, yeah. And his coffee. And what else? Oh, and I got these boxes. I got these boxes at Michaels. You can also get these at Dollarama. But I was in Michaels and I had a gift card. So I just got them in Michaels. Yeah. 2 of them. 2 boxes. So I'll be doing a DIY with those. What do we have now? So that's it for Michaels. So now I'm going to show you what I picked up quickly in Dollarama. Yeah, I just got some popsicle sticks, the small ones and the large ones in Dollarama. But what I really like that I got in Dollarama are these flowers. These are so super cute and nice. I think they are so cute. And you know me, I think I'm gonna bling out the center of these flowers. Yes, I am. And they're so cute. I like them. I got them in Dollarama for $2 each. And they're so super cute. Michael had nice flowers too, but I don't know about America, but Michael's over here is very expensive. very, very expensive. So I did not pick up their flowers in there, no. Even though I had a gift card, I used my gift card for the other stuff. No, not for the flowers. So I got these flowers in Dollarama. Yeah. Alright everyone. So that's the end of my haul. Yeah. So most of these stuffs that I got, I will be doing DIYs with them to share with you all. Yep. But out of everything I picked up today, I am super excited about the crushed glass that I finally found over here in Canada. Yep, I finally found them, even though it's a smaller package than my American sisters. I still appreciate it. I found them. Yeah. And then my second favorite are these flowers that I got in Dollarama. Alright everyone. Thank you, like I always say, for coming on and seeing my video for today. I really appreciate you taking the time to spend 10 or so minutes with me. I really appreciate it. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think of my haul. And don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.